We started end of 2013 with a clear focus on AM of serial plastic parts. 3D printing as prototyping is still interesting, then it speeds up the development phase. AM as production method for the end-use part is a game changer. Important is to know all the advantages of every production technology and then combining it in the best way to meet exactly the customer's need.
Our customers come from a variety of industries, including machine building, medical, consumer goods, almost every industry you can imagine. They benefit from the accuracy and repeatability our 3D printing provides. A big plus is the reduced lead times for produced parts. The speed of production with this technology means designs can be quickly transformed into finished parts, enabling our customers to meet tight deadlines. In addition, the process provides an efficient and cost-effective solution for creating complex parts. Ultimately, our additive manufacturing process enables customers to create innovative products in a timely fashion while keeping costs low and, last but not least, with high quality.
We mainly use selective laser sintering and HP's multi-jet fusion technology for manufacturing. We achieve the same quality as injection molded parts. To qualify this, we have implemented quality processes to ensure that all parts produced meet the industry standards. Additionally, our post-processing are designed for maximum precision and accuracy with regard to final product specifications.
Sustainability is an obligation when it comes to additive manufacturing. This means taking action to ensure that the production process and materials used are environmentally friendly, that waste is minimized, and that the resources are used efficiently. It also involves considering the end-of-life implications of products made with additive manufacturing technology, such as their recyclability or biodegradability. Finally, sustainability requires an ongoing commitment to develop long-term strategies for reducing energy consumption and carbon emissions.
We benefit from more and more new materials. So we use a new PA11 produced 100% out of the oil of the castor bean. In future, products will be lighter just because weight-reduced geometries can be produced today with AM. Let us help you take your project to the next level with our expertise and knowledge.